Hello, it's Monday, June 1st, and that means two things. First off, it's National Heimlich Maneuver Day. Celebrate by keeping your airways clear. It's also time for the Light Read, or what we're going to call it now, the Lighting Industry News Brief, seeing as how we just want to be a little more accurate with what we're doing here. This is brought to you by Keystone Technologies and their XFit backlit panels. These are great for schools, offices, commercial applications with easy installation due to thin, lightweight designs, 4 knockout panels for wiring flexibility, and a frosted lens that is the perfect distance from LED chips. No hotspots, no shadows, no yellowing. These are equipped with selectable lumen outputs, selectable color temperatures, which keeps your SKUs short on your line card. News-wise, GE has sold their consumer lighting division for $250,000 to Savant. They're a smart home lighting brand. GE has been trying to divest itself of lighting since about 2013. The LRC has launched a new website for lighting for healthy living. It's a great tool set for examining what's going on and what you want to do with your lights. Signify is the first lighting company to receive the DECRA security certification for development process, so it's secure from start to finish. The City of Lights has achieved a lighting efficiency goal. Paris has completed a 10,000 LED luminaire project that started 13 years ago. On to Get a Grip on Lighting, where they are celebrating episode 137 with Ellis Yan and his senior VP of sales, Leslie Matt, as they contemplate their virtual lunch and learns, as well as a number of issues related to designing LEDs. The PNNL and IES present a free webinar on roadway lighting. Bruce Kinsey and Jason Tuang, I'm sorry if I got that wrong, but it is going to talk about broad spectrum lighting and road safety on July 2nd. Schaeffner presents a free white paper on the use of EMC or EMI filters in industrial and domestic lighting. Hanley Wood has laid off 40 jobs. These are the parent company backing Architectural Lighting magazine. The 37th IALD Awards will be held online June 18th. If you're looking for more webinars, on June 24th, Paul Drosin and Scott Wade will be discussing smart lighting and DALI 2 certifications for monitoring, diagnostics, and tunable white tech. 15 Acuity employees have tested positive for COVID-19. These are at the Crawfordsville facility in Indiana. The local health authorities and their HR department are working to limit further spread. Amerlex and Delta Electronics, their merger 1 year later, according to Randy Reed. He interviews Joe O'Burl as to what the company is doing now these days. Building Technologies Office funds efficiency products. This is $4 million that will be spent across 12 states for solid-state lighting, thermal storage, and resilient buildings projects. The Resolution class action suit has reached a settlement. If you are a purchaser of securities in the Connecticut-based company between 2014 and 2018, you're eligible for a portion of a $2 million settlement. MaxLight has donated LEDs to food pantries. Not the pantries themselves, but people who are benefiting from those pantries. More than 21,000 A-lamps have been donated alongside boxes of food to those in need. Repro Light announces intelligent workspace lighting concept. This is a design team in Europe creating a brand new productivity enhancing light that goes behind your desk. LED iBond is going public. These are a Danish manufacturer, but they're staging an IPO on the NASDAQ next month. German research team tests skin-safe UVC LEDs. These are researchers based out of Ferdinand Braun Institute and the Berlin Institute of Technology that think they can kill germs without giving any of us sunburns. Bluetooth SIG and DIIA are collaborating on the IoT. This is a special interest group and the Controls Alliance, accelerating commercial IoT. Trends to watch post-pandemic are sensors, disinfection, circadian, and horticultural lighting, according to LED Inside. DC Mission receives the Healthy Cleanse portal. This is the Healthy brand, creating a device that blasts passers through with 10 seconds of UVC light, as donated by NHL pro Lars Eller. Johnson Controls explains UV disinfection. This is a short video explaining some of the more complex aspects of the tech. Penn State is launching a multidisciplinary study into UVC disinfection. These are architectural engineers and biomedical students looking at best practices for the technology. A Cleveland utility forgot to include lampposts in a highway revamp. Highway 60, I should say, was set to be widened, and the plan did not include or recall the fact that they'd have to move all the lampposts when they widen the highway. A team at Meiji University has created an LED array that will simulate flavor. All you have to do is lick it. Singapore National University has created a device that can generate electricity based on contrast in illumination, which means it will generate electricity in shadows, not just direct sunlight. And would you let a video game into your smart home? A rumor out of the canceled Konami title Silent Hills would have asked players to allow the game to control your smart lighting, not just while you're playing, dimming the lights to match the mood, but also messing with them out of game just to extend the experience. On to hirings, departures, and promotions. Signify has named James Francisco Javier van Engelesen Sosa as CFO. Voltec Power and Lighting has promoted Ryan Kelly to Regional Sales Manager for the West. And Signify's Kevin Poik will now take direct control of all operations in the Americas, as Roger Karner is returning Europe to lead markets in Germany, Austria, and Switzerland. And that has been the lighting industry news brief for this week. I've been Scott Wachter. This has been put together by Nailed. Get associated, get educated, get connected. And if you're joining us on TEDMag, welcome. I hope you have fun with this. If you like us, leave us a rating. Until then, this is J Hacha de Zola. Catch you next week.